Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hedy and I'm posting delicious, nutritious and easy recipes. Today's recipe is breakfast pizza. Well, I call it breakfast pizza because I slice it in 4 slices, but really it's a giant cookie for breakfast. As with most of my recipes, it's really simple and the ingredients are basic. What you need for today's recipe is banana and oats. So let's get started. So the first ingredient is banana. What you're looking for is banana that is brown with them little dots. Basically, the more dots, the more sweet and sugary the banana is, and the better it is to help for the pizza or for the giant cookie to bind together. So pop it in a bowl. That one is beautiful. It smells so sweet. And now use your strong arm muscles to mash it up. It might take a couple of minutes, but you really need to mash it up a lot so it helps to stick with the oats. Basically, you're looking for like a baby puree consistency. Actually, there's a tip for you. You could use a potato masher. Someone told me about it the other day. I haven't tried it myself, but it works really well. Just like potatoes when you're making your potato mash. Next ingredients are oats. Your normal traditional rolled oats. Nothing special. If you want to make it gluten-free, use certified gluten-free oats. Pop it in. Approximately 1 cup. That's all you need. And now, this is where the magic happens. You're gonna mix it well together. It needs to be really well mixed. Every oat needs to be covered. Now, put your oven on, preheat it to 170 degrees and get your baking tray lined up with baking paper. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to tip the mixture in your baking paper and try to create sort of big, giant cookie shape or small breakfast pizza shape, as I like to call it. Make sure you scrape it all out. Every little bit matters when it comes to food. I am a bit greedy. Now, using the same fork, just shape it out. We are looking for 1-inch thick cookie. Voila, that's what we're going for. A nice, small or giant, if you like, cookie. Pop it in the oven for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. And while you're waiting, go and check Hedy Hearts for more recipes. Later, your pizza is ready. You're looking for firm, slightly golden brown on the edges texture, and the bottom is probably something like that. Let's see, it's so nice and firm, ready for the best part, which is your toppings. So I'm using today almond butter, but you could use peanut butter, you could use tahini. You don't have to use nut butters if you have allergies or just don't want to use any. You can go straight in with yogurt, jam, whatever you fancy. So we're gonna spread a thin layer of almond butter first. Oh, beautiful sound. Maybe touch more. That's it. Can't wait for it. Then I'm using a simple white yogurt, whatever you fancy. This one is unflavored, but you can use Greek yogurt, you can use coconut yogurt, almond yogurt, whatever you like. Again, a nice thin layer, like that. Beautiful. Now I'm topping it today with some strawberries, blueberries and chia seeds. But again, do whatever you fancy, whatever you've got in your fridge. So I'm gonna just thinly slice some strawberries and start decorating. Get the kids involved. This is such a creative and easy recipe that the whole family can do. And now some blueberries. Only few. Here and there. Delicious. And to finish it all off, a sprinkle of chia seeds. And there you have it. Breakfast pizza or giant cookie for breakfast made with oats, banana and your favorite toppings. So which one shall we try? Enjoy. Delicious. Make sure you subscribe. See you next time.